Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to transform the picture from this one to become this one. As you can see on the left side would be the normal picture of a man sitting on the grass, and also the background will be in the park and also during the sunset. By using the spatial prompt, so this picture can be transformed into this cool poster. As you can see, this is the name, let's say the name of the artist, and also or name of the musician, and also this is the concert name, Millennium, and also this is the picture of this guy, and also the another action or the scene when this guy is playing the guitar while singing. And also this is the platform. How to do that and how to create this picture, it is very easy. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can access the Nano Banana to transform the picture, and also prepare your favorite picture that you would like to transform it to become this music poster. And if you would like to access this Nano Banana via Gemini AI, it is pretty okay, and don't worry because I will also give you the prompt that you can adjust with your version. And here this time I would like to use the Nano Banana from the Google AI Studio. And also don't forget to do the login first with your email. And this is the look of the homepage of Google AI Studio. And the next step is I would like to upload a picture from my gallery like this. And after that you can put this prompt into this section. So the picture or the ratio will be 3 and 4, but if you would like to change the ratio, then you can do the adjustment with this section. And you can also adjust again the country of the musician or the origin. For example, this is the US musician, and also add the attached photo. And the foreground of this poster will be a smaller full body image of this guy passionately singing into a microphone and while playing the electric guitar, and also capture mid performance with a natural dynamic posture and energy. And on the bigger one, this is a larger serious close-up of his face with his hand on the acoustic guitar neck, and also blended seamlessly into the background like this, and giving the depth and dramatic focus like this guys, because the gesture of this guy also play significantly into your visual or the output. And you can also add the detail, like the design must feel cohesive and natural, as if both versions are part of the same scene rather than the pasted element. So you can make it very natural like this, not only layered the picture. So again, you can do the adjustment, let's say for the name. For example, you can change the name Rosalinda, and the concert title, for example, the Roses concert, for example, and also again the lighting and atmosphere also important to present the look of the poster. And also this is the extras or the additional elements like the Spotify, Deezer, Google Play, or Apple Music. And you can also add the last touch like the style, hyper-realistic, dramatic, cinematic, professional concert poster. And after that you can continue to click run and kindly wait for this Gemini AI to blend this picture and this prompt into this poster, guys. And don't worry, because I have also tried this prompt to generate this picture to become this one. But let's say if you feel not really satisfied of this output, so you can simply click this rerun and kindly wait for another output. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this prompt, and please let us know on the comment section what the look or what the output from your version. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.